Welcome to a delightful journey through the history and benefits of parfait, a dessert
Originating in France in the 19th century, parfait, meaning perfect in French,
began as a frozen dessert made from sugar syrup, cream, and eggs.
This elegant treat was a symbol of sophistication in French cuisine.
As the years passed, parfait evolved and crossed borders.
In the United States, it took on a new form, layering yogurt, granola, and fruits.
Becoming not just a dessert but a healthy snack option.
Why is parfait more than just a sweet indulgence?
Let's dive into its benefits.
When made with yogurt, parfait becomes a rich source
Of probiotics, essential for a healthy digestive system.
The layers of fresh fruits add a bounty of vitamins and antioxidants.
Promoting overall health and well-being.
Granola, another key ingredient, brings in fiber and whole grains,
Aiding in digestion and providing a feeling of fullness, which can help in weight management.
The versatility of parfait allows for endless combinations.
Catering to all dietary preferences and needs.
Moreover, parfait's layered presentation isn't just visually appealing.
It makes for a balanced meal, combining carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats.
It's a testament to how a dish can be both nutritious and delicious.
In conclusion, parfait, with its rich history and health benefits, is more than just a dessert.
It's a fusion of culture, nutrition, and taste, making it a perfect treat for any time of the day.
Embrace the layers of joy in every spoonful of parfait.